Welcome back to EV Horizon, where we explore the boldest innovations reshaping electric performance and luxury driving. Today, we're stepping into the future with the 2026 BYD Denza Z9 GT, a stunning luxury high-performance EV that perfectly marries sporty aggression with futuristic elegance in a sleek shooting brake body style. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Denza Z9 GT commands attention with its dramatic, aerodynamic silhouette. Measuring around 5.18 meters long with a low, crouched stance, this grand tourer features flowing lines, a bold front fascia with slim LED headlights that sweep elegantly into the fenders, and a sculpted hood that hints at the power beneath. The side profile showcases a fastback roofline, frameless doors, and distinctive wheel arches housing large alloy rims that emphasize its sporty character. At the rear, a full-width light bar, integrated spoiler, and muscular haunches complete the futuristic look, giving it presence that rivals premium European marques. Advanced active aerodynamics and a low drag coefficient help it slice through the air efficiently while maintaining that head-turning road presence. Step inside the cabin, and you're greeted by a lavish, high-tech sanctuary. The interior blends premium Napa leather, soft-touch materials, and meticulous craftsmanship that feels truly upscale. A massive panoramic digital dashboard spans across the front with a striking 50-inch augmented reality head-up display, while intuitive touch controls and ambient lighting create a sophisticated atmosphere. Spacious seating for 5 offers exceptional comfort, with power-adjustable front seats featuring ventilation and massage functions. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and their own climate controls. The DVLED audio system with Dolby Atmos delivers concert hall sound quality, turning every drive into an immersive experience. Smart storage solutions, a panoramic glass roof, and advanced driver assistance technologies like lidar-enhanced autonomy round out a cabin that prioritizes both luxury and effortless usability. Performance is where the Denza Z9 GT truly shines as a high-output electric machine. Built on the advanced E3 platform, the top tri-motor all-wheel drive setup unleashes around 952 to 1,140 horsepower with massive instant torque. This rocket propels the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an astonishing 2.7 to 3.4 seconds, while maintaining composure up to a top speed near 150 miles per hour. Independent rear-wheel steering enables crab-walk maneuvers and tank turns, transforming this large GT into something surprisingly agile on twisty roads. The sophisticated air suspension and torque vectoring deliver a balanced ride that can switch between plush comfort and razor-sharp handling at the touch of a mode selector. Powering it all is BYD's cutting-edge Blade battery, with capacities around 100 to 122.5 kilowatt-hours. This supports impressive real-world range estimates approaching 350 to 400 miles depending on conditions, with CLTC figures reaching an incredible 1,036 kilometers in optimal variants. The 800-volt architecture enables ultra-fast charging that adds hundreds of miles in minutes, with claims of 10 to 97% in as little as 9 minutes on compatible high-power stations. Quiet, refined cruising combined with explosive acceleration makes it an ideal grand tourer for long distances or thrilling backroad drives. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Denza Z9 GT positions itself as a compelling value in the luxury EV segment. In its home market, variants start around $39,000 and climb toward the mid-50,000s, though expect higher figures in the United States and Europe, likely landing between $70,000 and $110,000 depending on configuration and options. This makes it a serious contender against established German rivals while offering more power, technology, and innovative features for the money. Lower running costs, minimal maintenance, and access to incentives further enhance its appeal for performance-minded buyers seeking sustainable excitement. Overall, the BYD Denza Z9 GT stands out as a groundbreaking luxury high-performance EV that doesn't compromise on style, comfort, or thrilling dynamics. Its futuristic design, opulent interior, blistering pace, and advanced battery technology create a complete package ready to redefine grand touring in the electric era. If you're chasing the next level of electrified driving excellence, this one deserves a top spot on your consideration list. What are your thoughts on this impressive machine? Would you take it over traditional luxury performance cars? Let us know in the comments. Smash that like button if you're impressed by the Z9 GT, and subscribe to EV Horizon for more detailed looks at tomorrow's electric vehicles. We'll catch you on the next Horizon. Safe travels and happy electric adventures.